Sometimes it can be hard to find a IP of a device on a network, particularly where the device has a static IP. So the ictrl supports a handy feature that allows you to scan all LAN side subnet ranges so that you can find or detect all devices on the LAN. It's really handy for finding devices for setting up port forwards. So once you run it, it goes off and starts requesting it. I'm going to just pause the video while it does this. Now it has come back with the subnets that it has scanned, which are listed along here, and basically these will include aliases as well as LAN side subnets. So if I click on it, I get listed the IP, the MAC address. So in this subnet here, we can see this is the IP address on the ETH0 interface, which is our LAN interface in this case. You can see we've detected device 1.2 with this MAC address, and this is basically the vendor of the MAC address. That's how it's calculated out. Sometimes it can be highly accurate, and sometimes they're just generic NIC cards, so you get a generic name. It will scan the IP address on port 80 and 443 HTTP and HTTPS, and if it detects a web server, it'll give a green tick, and then if it's got its IP address from DHCP, it'll have a green tick here. So this device, it's on a static IP on this, it's not running a web service, so this usually isn't what you're looking for. What you're usually looking for is a camera and NVR, and they tend to have a tick to show one of the two of them running. So I'll just click on another one just to show you. You can see it's picked up another device, and this is an alias I set up for testing. So that's it. It's very simple, the LAN scan. It runs pretty quick, to be fair, and it will detect any devices that are on your LAN network. Very handy for port forwards.